Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to delete your private list on X, updated with the latest process so you can follow along easily. If you've created a private list in the past and no longer need it, or just want to clear up some space and keep things more organized, deleting it only takes a few moments. First, open the X app on your phone. Once you're in, look toward the top corner for the menu icon. This is represented by the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Tap on it and a menu will slide out, giving you access to different options. From there, select Lists. This section shows all the lists you've created or followed. Since we're focusing on your private list, scroll through and find the one you'd like to delete. Keep in mind that private lists are only visible to you, so no one else will know when you remove it. Tap to open the list you've selected. Once inside, look for the option that says Edit List. This is where you can make changes to the details or settings of the list itself. Instead of just editing, though, this is also where you'll find the Delete option. Now, tap on Delete List. You'll be asked to confirm your decision. This is just a quick final step to make sure you didn't tap it by accident. Go ahead and confirm, and just like that, your private list will be permanently deleted from your account. And that's it. In less than a minute, you can completely remove any private list you no longer want. This not only helps you stay more organized, but also keeps your Lists tab clutter-free and personalized to your current needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful and clear, make sure to check out more of these step-by-step guides. Managing your account doesn't have to be complicated, and with these quick tutorials, you'll always know exactly what to do. That's all for today's guide on deleting a private list on X. Thanks for watching.